Make a great choice today with
The 2025 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.